Okay, there are times na kailangan nating mag-send ng malaking file folder through email. So, naman mag-send ng malaking file, 'di ba? Halimbawa, meron siyang Word, merong HTML file, merong Notepad, meron ding picture, JPEG, meron ding MP3, at meron ding JPG, at meron ding MP4. So, paano mo siya i-compress? Right-click the file folder, and then send to compress zip folder. Let us wait for a few minutes. Okay, few seconds. Ayan na. Okay. So, kapag naka-receive kayo ng ganito, i-extract nyo. So, paano natin i-extract? Double click. Once ma-double click, meron naka-highlight dito na dalawang period, and then extract to. Yung extract to, ipapakita niya kung saan madadala yung file na yon, kung saan masisave yung file. So, this is the file path. So, pwede mong baguhin kung saan mo gustong ilagay. Okay? In this case, sa documents siya mapupunta. And then, click OK. Na siya. Ang itsura niya magiging folder na. Let's see. Okay. Yan. Nag-extract na yung sinend na zip file. Pwede na i-close. Okay, and then, ito na siya. Punta siya sa gift shop website din. Doon sa folder ko kanina. Okay. So, yan na rin yung nilalaman niya. Ayan. Yan yung laman. Okay. That's it. Thank you.